Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided to do 4 different bun hairstyles that you can do when your hair is just not acting right. So for the first bun hairstyle, it is my famous big bun. I do this all the time, it's my go-to. So what I do first is I just spray water on the top and the back of my hair, and then I go in with my deep conditioner and spread it all over my hair as well. So after applying all my hair product, I start brushing my hair as if I'm going to put it into a high ponytail. The trick is when I do my bun, I put it into a ponytail, but I don't secure it as a ponytail. Okay, I know that was a little confusing, but this is what I mean, you guys will see. So it's into a ponytail, but now I go ahead and I put it into a bun before I even secure it, and then I secure it. So now that my hair is into its bun, I just grab any hair that is in the back, bobby pin it, and then I also go ahead and do my baby hairs to end the look. Alright y'all, so for the second hairstyle, it is this cute top knot low flirty bun. So what I do first is I just take out the hair that I want to have in front of my face, which is going to be my curls. And then I also do that just so that it doesn't get in the way of me when I'm doing my top knot bun. So I follow the same steps in each bun tutorial. So I go ahead and I put my hair into a high ponytail, and then I start wrapping it around my hair and make it into a top knot bun. Okay, so now for the fun part, which is basically what I think makes this look. I go ahead and I re-wet my curls that I had in the front, and I apply curling hair product. You can also do this even if you don't have curly hair. If you have straight hair, you can either, you know, just curl up the 3 strands, or you can just leave out your hair straight. It'll still look cute and flirty and effortless either way. And to just add some finishing touches, I also re-wet the little curls I have in the back of my hair. And yeah, that is it for my second look. For the third hairstyle, it is really similar to the first one I did earlier. The only difference is I do 2 braids at the front. What I do first is I use my nails, since they are long, to section off my hair, and I do it into a middle part. And then I section out the hair that I am going to braid as well. So now that I have sectioned out my hair, I braid both sides from the top all the way to the bottom. So now that both braids are done, I just go ahead and put it into my regular bun that I did earlier in the beginning of this video. And then I go ahead and also do my baby hairs to finish off this look. So I realized after I was done that my braids weren't even sectioned off correctly, but it is what it is. So now for the last hairstyle that I freaking love, I be feeling like a bad bitch every time I do it. It is my side part sleek low bun. First section off my hair and put it into a side part, and then I start to brush it out as much as I can. I put a lot of hair gel, water, all of that just to make it as sleek as I can. So when I finally have made it really sleek, I go ahead and put it into a low ponytail and secure it in place. As you can see, I was already feeling myself with this little low ponytail, but this is a bun tutorial, so I'm going to show you guys how I do my bun. It's really similar to the top knot bun. The only difference is that it is low. So as you can see here, I am just twisting it again and putting it into a bun. Again, to finish off this look, I am doing my baby hairs to make everything look put together. And that is it for the last hairstyle. Hope you guys enjoyed these 4 different hairstyles. Make sure to go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video.